Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve exercise 7.2 problems. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends. Third question, to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? So first, let us understand the question. In a school, they are organizing a sports day activity in a rectangular shaped school ground. So this is the rectangular shaped school ground A, B, C and D. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. These are the lines and these lines are drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. Okay. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in figure. Along AD, 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other. Okay. Next, Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD on the second line. Here this is the second line and Niharika runs 1/4 the distance of AD in the second line and post a green flag here. Okay. And Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line and post a red flag here. Now we have to calculate the distance between both the flags. So this is the green flag and this is the red flag. So let us draw the line segment between the two flags. This is the line segment. Now we have to calculate the distance between these two flags. And the second part of the question is, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. This is the line segment and between these two line segments, Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway, that is the midpoint of these two flags. She has to post a blue flag. Now we have to calculate where should she post her flag. That is, this is the second part of the question. So let's solve this problem. Solution. The distance of green flag posted by Niharika on the second line is equal to 1/4 of the distance AD, that is 1/4 into AD, which is equal to 1/4 into, here the distance between A and D is 100 meter, because here along AD 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other. So the distance between the points A and D is 100 meter. 1/4 into 100, which is equal to 100/4, which is equal to 25 meter. Next, the distance of red flag posted by Preet on the 8th line is equal to 1/8 into AD. The distance of red flag posted by Preet on the 8th line is given by 1/5 the distance of AD. Sorry, 1/5, that is 1/5 into the distance of AD is 100, which is equal to 100/5. 100 divided by 5 is 20 meter. Here this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Here the distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate. That is, the distance between the y-axis and this point is 1 meter plus 1 meter, 2 meter. That is, the x-coordinate of the green flag is 2, and the y-coordinate is given by the distance of the point from the x-axis is its y-coordinate. That is 25 meter is the y-coordinate. 2, 25 is are the coordinates of this point. And now the distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate. That is, the distance of this point from y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the x-coordinate is 8, and the distance of the point from x-axis is y-coordinate. That is, the value of y-axis is 20 meter. So 8, 20 are the coordinates of this point. Now we can easily find out the distance between these two flags by using distance formula. So coordinates of the green flag are coordinates of the green flag is equal to 2, 25 are the coordinates of this green flag. 2, 25. This is x1, y1. Next, coordinates of of the red flag. Coordinates of the red flag is given by 8, 20. 8, 20. So this is the x2, y2. Now we can easily find out the distance between these two flags by using distance formula. Therefore, distance between the two flags, that is d is equal to, the distance formula is given by under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is d is equal to under root of. Now let us substitute the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2 here. Okay, the value of x2 is 8 minus the value of x1 is 2 whole square plus the value of y2 is 20 minus the value of y1 is 25 whole square, that is d is equal to under root of 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36, and 20 minus 25 is minus 5 whole square, minus 5 whole square is nothing but 25, which is equal to, adding 36 and 25 we get 61. That is the distance between the two flags is given by root 61 meter. This is the first part of the answer. Now the second part of the question is, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining these two flags. That is, we have to use the midpoint formula to solve this second part of this question. Okay. The coordinates of blue flag if Rashmi has to post in between two flags B, x, y, and the midpoint formula is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here x1 y1 and x2 y2 are this is the x1 y1, that is the value of x1 is 2 and the value of y1 is 25 and the value of x2 is 8, the value of y2 is 20. Now let us substitute these two values in the midpoint formula, that is x, y is equal to the value of x1 is 2 plus the value of x2 is 8 divided by 2, comma, the value of y1 is 25 plus the value of y2 is 20 divided by 2. That is x comma y is equal to 2 plus 8 is 10 divided by 2, comma, 25 plus 20 is 45 divided by 2. This implies x comma y is equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are 5, comma, 45 divided by 2 is 22.5. 22.5. This is the answer for second part of the question. Here the x coordinate is 5. So Rashmi has to post blue flag at 5th line, that is in this line, and the y coordinate of is 22.5. This is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate somewhere here. That is Rashmi has to post the blue flag here. This is the answer.